Today we're going to learn about birds and their nests. And what letter does nests start with? Letter N. Birds and Their Nests by Linda Tagliaferro. Building nests. I spy a capital N. Birds build nests in trees and buildings. They also build nests in cliffs and on the ground. Birds use nests to hold eggs and chicks. Chicks are baby birds. And here are some baby birds in the nest. My dog is running around. I think she sees a bird. Birds build nests with grass and twigs. Birds sometimes use mud to hold the grass and twigs together. You can see right here, a bird has built with, see some green grass and some brown twigs in their nest. And the bird has used mud like glue to keep it all together. Birds make holes for nests in trees, cliffs, or the ground. They dig with their bills or their feet. So their bill is this right here. That's also, we would call that their beak. Birds may line their nests with grass. So they would put grass inside the hole so that it's nice and soft, like your bed. Some birds build nests in one day. Other birds take 2 weeks. Eagles may take 2 months. That's 60 days to build their nests. There's an eagle in its nest. Eggs and chicks. Birds lay eggs in nests. Some birds lay just one egg in a nest. Other birds may lay up to 16 eggs in their nest. And here's a nest with eggs inside of it. Birds sit on their nests to keep the eggs warm. Chicks hatch from the eggs. Some chicks stay in the nest. And there's a duck keeping its eggs warm in its nest. Keeping nests safe. Birds hide their nests. Hungry animals cannot find the eggs or chicks. So that an animal can't come and get their eggs from their nest. Look at those pretty blue eggs. Trees and cliffs help protect nests from rain. The nests stay dry. Look at those baby chicks. Their mouths are open so their mommy bird can come and give them something to eat. A good home. Different kinds of birds build different kinds of nests. Nests help keep eggs and chicks safe and warm, just like your house keeps you safe and warm. And that's it, the end. We learned that sometimes birds, they'll use grass and sticks and mud. Sometimes birds will even use paper and string to make their nests. They'll use little pieces of plants or even leaves. Thank you so much for learning about nests with me. See you later.